Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can create your free Proton mail account. So the first thing that you will have to do is go to account.proton.me/mail so that you will be redirected to the official site of Proton Mail. And once you're here, you will just have to click create account, and from here you will just have to click free plan so that you will be able to actually create your free Proton mail account. So yeah, once you choose your free plan, what you will have to do is you will just have to enter your username and your password, and then you will just have to click start using Proton Mail now, and you will be asked to complete captcha to verify that you're human, and then of course you will confirm your account and check your recovery email and complete the setup. And yeah, that's basically how you can create your free Proton Mail account in just 1 minute. And yeah, I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.